This is Jomtien Beach on Friday the 29th of December 2017. Just thought I'd show you how many people's out on the beach here sunbathing today in 31 degrees. There's quite a few. It's not overpacked, it's just nice actually. A bit warm and sticky here today, but it's nice. Street food sellers are out selling all their seafoods down here. It's gorgeous. Very slight little breeze, but nothing much. Just everybody enjoying the sun. Sea's very calm as well. As you can see, there's people in the sea.
Hay quá hả?
Absolutely stunning down here today. Someone getting a massage there on the beach. The greenery down here is absolutely stunning. Got people down here doing people's hair, as you can just about see. And come down here, see? You can get your hair done. All down the beach. Amazing. As you can see, people here having a picnic on the pavement right close to the beach. Amazing place to come and have a picnic.
Yeah, in England. So here they give you, it can be 100,000 baht fine. Because you cannot tax.
Yeah, but you know, I mean, it's a good idea to people not smoking there, but people like us stay there and smoking, you know.
Here we got a pink taxi. Look at this. Big green stripe down the side. Does look quite effective. Got a street food seller there selling all different sausages. Over the road there we have a Patty's salon and massage. And to the right we've got a family mart. And over there, I don't know if you can see it on that wall. I'll try and zoom in. There you go. We've got Jomtien Boathouse. It's a wine and grill place. I've not been in there yet. It's on my list to do. And it's gorgeous down here. No one's rushing around. Everyone's just chilled, drinking a beer or coffee on the beach in 30 degrees. Can't be bad. This one's selling squid. Oh, and prawns. Prawns, crab and squid. Does look nice. He's got some little crabs there. I did buy some one day, but there's hardly anything on them though. 3 little crabs there, I think it was like a couple of $100, but it's just hardly any crab meat. You need to buy the big crabs really to properly enjoy it. They're too small. Let's come and have a look at these golden sands for December. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? Very strong sunlight here today. Everyone down here topping up their tan. I don't blame them. Won't be doing that in England today, that's for sure. Not on Bournemouth Beach. Another view of that Jomtien boathouse wine and grill place. There's a few little stores over there as well, going down by the side of it. So peaceful down here today, no loud music blaring out. Just total enjoyment. Jet ski over there in the background. People having some fun on. Lottery ticket sellers. She's nearly sold all her lottery tickets by the looks of it. So this lady selling her prawns, 40 baht. I'm just about to have one of them. One please. Alright. Thank you. That's amazing, eh? Wow, look at that. 40 baht.
Yeah.
Very nice. I love my prawns. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you. Wow. Amazing. Right, I'm going to switch the camera off a minute and enjoy my prawns. 40 baht, less than £1. I'll let you know how good it is in a minute. Look at that. Looks golden in colour. Right, I'll let you know in a minute how good it. I want to know how good those prawns were. I think that says it all, doesn't it? They were massive. They were tiger prawns in batter. Really, really nice. 90 pence. That was a bargain. I love my seafood and it's so cheap here on the beach in Jomtien. Yeah, 40 baht each. She was also doing, by the way, 3 for 100 baht, but I didn't want to eat 3 of them. I was quite happy with one, and even just one of them, believe it or not, was quite filling. guy over there in the green, he's selling peanuts, believe it or not. Got a big bamboo stick across his shoulders, cashew nuts, peanuts. I don't know how much they are. And they really keep this beach clean. As you can see, there's people out cleaning it all the time. He's out picking leaves up. Obviously the leaves come off the trees. Just keeping on top of it, really, keeping it clean. They do a good job here. They do try to look after it. A little bit of wind now, but it's still hot, it really is. Well, I hope you're enjoying all the other videos I've put up lately. Put a fair few up over Christmas. The Christmas dinner down at Retox was very, very good. I'll be down there again soon. They got special guest appearing down there soon, so I'll be down there filming that. They have Frank Bruno coming to Thailand, and he's coming to the Retox bar, so I will be filming Frank Bruno if anyone's got an interest in our friend Frank. Not sure what date it is he's coming, but it's someone in January. I will give you an update next time I'm walking by. It should be good. I've done a bit of filming down here back in November in low season, so I thought I'd do some filming down here at the end of December just to show you what it's like in high season. You can't see a lot of difference, to be honest with you. It's not packed, but it is very, very nice. Jet ski just coming in. It's that time of day when all the food street sellers coming down the beach here, I see. These views are stunning, they really are. Probably see now the sea over there. It's pretty calm. Somebody's got their dinner here. Let me show you. Somebody's dinner delivered. That's one good thing about these food carts. They come around, cook it for you, and they'll even deliver it to you on the beach as soon as it's cooked. You get lots of gorgeous pickup trucks down on this beach, as I showed you in the other video. But you also get some pickup trucks down here, which are absolute pile of shit. Look at that. rusted out piece of junk. Front wing hanging off. As long as it starts and it goes and you can drive it, then you can use it in Thailand. What a piece of crap that is. If you get caught throwing away rubbish down on the beach, then you expect to get this. 2,000 baht fine. So just thought I'll give you a heads up on that. If you throw anything on the beach in Jomtien, then expect to get fined. And down here, I don't know where the guy is that's selling this. Look at that, that's squid. Amazing. You get a lot of squid sellers down here. There's another one here. Look at this. Selling crab. Oh my god, this looks good. See the size of those crabs there? Tiny little crabs. Prawns. It's the same chap over there that's selling the squid, that's selling this here. Nice shaded area here under the trees. A few people down there in the sea, and the water won't be cold. Not when it's 30 degrees, it won't be. I see they are putting the umbrellas down now. It's coming to a close here now. It's 9 minutes past 5 in the afternoon. Just winding down now we are. The sun is really bright. Another food eating place over there, Wandy House. Quite attractive over there, that place. I'm just getting you little bits and pieces of footage as I'm walking up Jomtien back to my condo. All I can see is people walking around with food everywhere. Coffee shop over there. And just over there in the distance is Jomtien Night Market. That will be opening very, very shortly. If it's not already open, it's normally around about 5 PM of an evening. This is just before the market. There's all these eating places. I've already done some reviews on these in other videos. This is where Sky Blue is, and Sofa Dang. Probably remember that video I did, the food review. Isn't this nice? Just coming up to the end of December, and look at this, they got all these sofas outside. You can just chill, put your feet up, order a nice beer, cocktail, coffee, whatever you fancy, and have it outside in 30 degrees. Well, you can if you're in Thailand now, and if you are in Jomtien. Isn't that nice? There's Sofa Dang. I showed you it by night when we had that meal in there. This is what it's like by daytime. The market over there doesn't look very busy at the moment. Like I said, it's 19 minutes past 5. It's only just opened. I'll give it an hour and it will be packed. Never disappoints, this market. Always busy, every day, every week. Look at the skies, isn't that gorgeous? Where I'm standing now was where the jet ski competition was, the grandstand they built. Now it's back to the play area where everyone comes down in the evening and plays netball. I'm just going to give you a very, very important new update of a new law down in Jomtien, which no one's going to be aware of until I point it out. This is a new update, and it's been up one day, so I thought I'd share that with you. Look what we've just done now. Smoke-free zone and zero waste on the beach, Jomtien. So if you get caught on Jomtien Beach smoking or dumping rubbish down here, then expect to get a 2,000 baht fine if you get caught. Just thought I'd let you know that little bit of new information, just in case you're down here smoking or drop some rubbish. expect to get a fine. And at today's rate, 2,000 baht is 44 quid in English money. Not a big fine, but it's still put a dent in your holiday money that you got in your pocket. There's not many signs along the beach, there's only a very few, so it's very easy for you to miss a sign and break the law. So I'm sharing it with you now, just to give you a heads up on a new law that's come in Jomtien, and they are enforcing it apparently. They've had enough of people dumping rubbish. I don't blame them. Someone's got to clean it all up down here, and they are trying to attract people here. And in order to do that, you've got to keep the beach nice and clean. And it is, look at this. There's someone round picking up bits of paper and rubbish all day. Isn't that gorgeous? Plenty of rubbish bins down there as well. As you can see, they provide bins everywhere for you to put your rubbish in. See this lady there? She's good enough to put her rubbish in there. Good for you. And someone else here, they're putting their rubbish in. So some people are using these bins, but you get the odd lazy ones that don't. They just throw their rubbish. It will sink in once they realise they get 2,000 baht fine, and a few of them's been fined a few times. They'll start putting the rubbish in the bins, I'm sure. It's just educating them really. But looking around here today, I've got to admit, it does look very, very clean. And I'm expecting over the next few weeks and months, the beaches will be even cleaner. A few stray dogs down here I've seen from time to time. Nobody seems to own them, but they don't starve. There's always people giving them food. They sleep down on the beach at night time, the dogs do. They're obviously well fed, because some of them are quite fat. More people are having picnics over there, you can see. Children there on the back of motorbikes, no helmet. Crazy. Tourists doing selfies. Well, she's really posing for the camera. Looks like everyone's just getting their cameras out down here now, doing selfies. I suppose because I've got my camera out, it must be catching. Have you noticed something? In nearly every clip you will see a bat bus. That's how frequent they are.
Садись на велосипед. Она выходит, пошли. Ну почему? Потому что старенькая не видит.
More people are having picnics on the pavement. That's what they do, they just put a mat down on the pavement, take your shoes off, and picnic time. Little coffee shop over there. Not tried one in there yet. Kiro Coff. Not a very big place. There's no one seems to be there except for one person. I like my coffee, so I will be checking it out very soon. They're just pulling all the boats out of the water now. It's nice to see everyone dumping their rubbish in these bins down here. I see people having picnics here and drinking my favourite drink. Look at this. Chang. You are allowed to drink alcohol down here on the beach, by the way. Isn't that nice? Down here, 30 degrees, a nice ice cold Chang. They probably got the Chang from just there. Over there, behind that post, is a 7-Eleven that sell alcohol. You see it there? They've probably gone in there, got them in there cheap, and then come back over here. Chill out on the pavement here with their friends. What a life this is, eh? So chilled. More food sellers down here. I'm going to try and get you a nice view now of the sun coming down. I've just turned the light down on the camera. This view looks absolutely stunning, so I hope it comes out the same. Look at this. Isn't that a gorgeous view? Truly amazing, that is. I turn the light down especially just for that clip. GT currency exchange over there. Just to give you an update, I did have a look earlier on, and the English pound's doing a bit better. For December the 29th, 2017, at 9 AM this morning, it was 43.75. That's not bad. It's on its way back up. It's been up and down a lot lately. That's the best I've seen it since the 1st of December. So, if you're coming here, do you hang on or do you buy now? I can't answer that one for you, but all I can tell you is the rate is on its way up. The last 3 days it's going up. Yes, picnic time. Everyone's having picnics here today. Amazing. Making me hungry now. All jet skis on a trailer there, just gone by. As you can see, it's not dark yet. All those Christmas lights. look even more amazing when it's dark. You can just about pick them out in the background now. How's the lightness now? It's just starting to fade. You can see they're just starting to put their lights on their bikes. All these boats out there. There's quite a lot of boats here. Amazing views. See how blue that sea is over there? A little bit of wind building up now. This is another thing they do down here, is they reverse up the pickup trucks, pull the flap down at the back, and then sit on them, eating their food. Well, I hope you liked this little video of Jomtien in the daytime in 30 degrees. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and please share it with your friends if they've got an interest in Thailand. This is Thailand Rick saying bye for now, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon. Bye!